Okay, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel, I should be saying, I guess. This video is going to be about Wiha. They sent me some tools and a couple promotional items, or merch, I guess you'd say. So let me get this camera turned around and show you what they sent. Okay, first they sent a hat. It's called they're calling it a trucker hat. That's pretty cool. And a beanie. That is awesome. The trucker hat. This is pretty cool. I like that. I mean, I like the beanie too. I like all of it, but this is cool. Anyway, let me move that stuff out of the way and show you the next two things. Let me see. Sorry about the movement there and the glare. This is awesome. This is very awesome. So give me just a minute to get these packages open and I'll show you closer. Okay, here's the hat. This thing is awesome. Freaking sweet. Ain't it though? Hold on just a minute and I'll show you the tools. Okay, here's all the different bits this thing comes with. It says right there, no hassle guarantee. They are made in Germany. Says right there, made in Germany. Anyway, this is them. Let me show you at the back of the other package too. It comes, I don't know if it's different stuff it comes with or not, but there they are. And this is a torque screwdriver. It's from 10 to 50 inch-pounds. That is awesome. I've been wanting to get one of these. This is sweet. They did send me these to review. I did not pay for them. Let me get the camera set up a little bit better and show you these a little closer up. Okay, so, well, wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Coffee. I gotta have that coffee. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that too good, but let's take this out. Never had any insulated tools. These are pretty neat. Can't wait to get to use them. They just came in today, so that's awesome. Like I said, they did send them to me to review. That don't seem like that would lock very good, but I'll be honest with you, it does. Wow. And there's all kind of different bits. I showed you the different ones it comes with. Let me see if I can get the biggest one. They both look the same, even though one says SL/PH2 and the other one says SL/PZ2. I don't really know what the difference is. I have to look that up, but I don't know if you can see that. You see that? How it kind of looks like a regular Phillips, but then it don't. That's weird. I don't know what that is. I'm sure I've heard about them before, and it's just drawing a blank right this minute, but whatever. It happens when you get old, right? Anyway, this is pretty neat. I can't wait to get to use these. Anytime you're like messing with a breaker box or outlets, I'm pretty sure it says 1,000 volt rated, so that's pretty cool. That don't mean you don't need to turn the power off. I always turn the power off, just in case. But you should still use these when you can. And you know, like for around the batteries and stuff like that, and you ain't got to arc against something. These are neat, and they're all interchangeable with all these. What is it, 19 piece? It's pretty neat. I like that. Can't wait to get to use them. Pretty nice products, if you ask me. Which, made in Germany, right? They usually are. All right, let me put these over to the side and get the other set and show you them. Okay, now this is the torque, not Torx, torque, like a torque wrench. It says it 10 to 50 inch-pounds. Now this is pretty cool. Right in a second, I got the little square drive. What is it, the number 2? Yeah, number 2 square drive in there, because that's what I have on my table here. I'm going to show you. Right now, I don't know if you can see this. Right in here, it's set to, I think, 16 inch-pounds. So when you get to your torque, it's already tight, so I'm not going to loosen it and all that, but when you get to, it's just like a torque wrench. When you get to your torque, it clicks. You're done. I'm not sure if that's supposed to stay in any better than that. I'm going to have to read the paperwork on it to make sure. But that's it. And then, of course, this locks just like the other one. You push it down or pull it down and the bits come out. You put another bit in there and push it up, and it locks. And now too, and I showed you the different bits that it comes with on the package. It also comes with paperwork for the torque certification or calibration. Now to change it, it comes with this. You just stick this in there, and of course whichever way you want to go. To the right goes up. There's 22, and then it's blank. So I guess that's 23, and then 24, blank, 26, and you go all the way up to 50. But it was on 10 when I got it, so I'm going to put it back on 10. Then I'm going to read the paperwork to make sure that it's supposed to stay on 10. But that's all it is to it to change it. It comes with this. That is freaking awesome. I've been wanting one of them, so like derby cover and stuff like that, I don't have to, even though this is insulated, but I don't have to break out a regular torque wrench to tighten them. I can just use this because they're small inch-pounds. It also comes with this that I'm assuming the bits go in. And then you have just a regular driver. And it also comes with this. Like a mini driver. Where you can push on it. Push on here with your hand and you still turn it because the top spins. And different bits fit in there too. This is a Phillips number 2. Pretty simple. Let me make sure. Just this is the Phillips, as you can see, or no, this is the square number 2. Yep. So they'll all fit in this too. This is awesome. I can't wait to be able to use this. This is cool, especially the torque part of this. It's pretty heavy too. It's not light like a regular handle. It's because it's got the torque part in it, or the mechanism. It's freaking awesome. Thank you very much for sending these to me to review. Next time I do a clutch or adjustment or anything on my bike, or change the fluid, primary fluid, I always adjust the clutch whenever I do that, and I will use this to torque the derby cover, clutch cover, whatever you want to call it. This is awesome. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.